My name is Tuanan and my student ID is 224-756 and 723. So in this project, I will analyze the YouTube data related to my chosen topics as the US tariff and trade policies. So I just choose these topics because as a Vietnamese student, I was really curious when I saw the discussion about the 46% of the tax rates, which seem to be high, and I want to understand how people from different countries will react to this. So this is a particular relevant topics in the today global economy, so that's why I choose this topic. So first, I will use the file collect here to collect the data from the YouTube videos using a package called YouTube Comments Downloader. And yeah, it will react me to CSV file as the comments and the video. And yeah, after that, I just did some cleaning and explore the data and visualize it. First, I will need to import this one. So, let me walk through how I clean and prepare the data. So first, I just load the dataset using this command, the bd doc with the CSV, which will contain the columns like comment text, like reply, the authors, and the countries. And when I read it, I can see that there are some comments were missing information and a few rows will have an empty comments or unnecessary characters. So my job here is to remove the duplicate videos by using the comment drop duplicate for both video and comment data to make sure each record was unique, and then just handling the missing value for the view count, like count, and comment count. By mm, by replacing the missing value with zero and convert them to the integer using the comment fauna and as type in here. For the text columns, I just like the video titles, tag, and comments. I just replace the none with the empty strings like here. And for the D2, so in this here, I just to enable the time-based analysis, I will convert the published ads and the comment date column to datetime formats using this coming right here, the bd doc to datetime. Then I extract a new columns like week here, months and years from those dates using this comment dt JavaScript time. And additionally, I convert the video duration file in a second using the regard and the lambda functions to making it easier to compare the view length. And yeah, after cleaning this, I just print the side of the clean dataset and confirm that the data was ready for analyze by using it here. So we can see that there are 28 videos and 694 comments worth cleaning. So now let's move on to the main things of this task. Analyze the video and comments. So in the E1, I will choose the question number 1 and question number 6, and in the E2, I'm choosing the question number 7. So, yeah, for the E1, which comments have the most like? So in these questions, I will analyze the distributions of engagement metrics, specifically views, like, and comments, using a new graph. For me is the histogram that help me to understand how these values are contributes to across all videos. But first thing we need to do is to import the matplot and the seaborns, as this one will provide a higher level interface for creating more visual appealing and informative statistical graphics. So after that, we will define the column name for which we want to create for the histogram. In here, we got the view count, the like count, and the comment count. So to create a figure with the tree subplot using 1.3 grid, we were using the command in here as it will create the tree subplot stack vertically, which means that we create a figures and set up subplot arranging in 3 rows and 1 column. And the fixed size is to set the overall size of the figure. And for the his plot in here, we will create a histogram with the overlay density curve to visualize the distributions. And to make the graph, we need to set the titles and the labels by using this command right here. And yeah, for this graph, I want to make sure that it will prevent the overlapping label. So I will use the tile layout to do this function. And to display the figure, we're just using this, the shows comment. And when we run it, we will have a graph like this. And I got the observation right here, but I just make it to short ways. So we can see that the distributions of view, like, and comments are heavily right skewed, which this indicates that most videos have relatively low engagement, while few videos achieve significantly higher views, like, and comments. This pattern is common in online content where small fractions of the content will go viral. Now let's move on to the question number 6. Of the top 5 videos have the highest radius like views. So in this task, I will create a new columns like view radius in here to measure how many like in each video received per views. Then I sort the dataset to find the top 5 video, the highest view radius. And let's move on to the explanations. So as we can see here, so in this line, we will create a new column called the light to view ratio by dividing the numbers of like by the videos of each video. It will help to evaluate which video received the most positive engagement relative to how many people watched them, as we can see in here. And the sort videos will descending order based on the light to view ratio. So that's the video with the highest light to view percentage appear on the top. As we can see, it's the 5 here. We got the 5.8% in this one. And for this, we will select the top 5 video with the highest light ratio by using the comment head in here, and just display this one, like the view and count, and like the view region for the top 5 videos. We'll be using the comments like here, using the URLs, and format the light to view duration to the percentage with 2 decimal places by using apply comments right here. And then just print it out the top 5 video with the highest radio like of the views and display it. And we will have the things like here. And for the observations, so as I can see in the video with a clear and consistent explanations of the traits impact tend to perform better, and the content will focusing on the everyday effect. For example, on the customer or small business, see a higher engagement, and some short videos are more likely to achieve a better like in view radios. So at the conclusions, I can say that weekly posting trend will fluctuate, likely following a major event in the trade policy or public interest. It will help us to understand the publishing behavior of channel and their responsiveness to the current events. And now let's move to the E2. So in this here, I will choose the question number 7, compare the average number of video published per week. So in this task, I will convert the publishers add column to datetime and create a new column for the video weeks of publications. Then it just group the data by weeks to count how many videos were published and plot this a line chart to visualize trend. And the result will show a spike in upload during a key new period and drop around the holiday, that indicating that upload frequency is tied to a real-world event and seasonal cycles. For explanation, so yeah, for a column to daytime format, we will using the comment the PD doc to daytime to show it. And then we will extract the week from each day used to categorize video by weeks by using the command dd2 period and the group by to count the numbers of video posts by each channel per week and calculate the average number of weekly upload per week by using these two of this group bys. And then for to create the graph, we just using the title in here to show it. And for the consumer, we see that the BBC News had the highest average number of video publishers per week and follow the Fox News and CNN. And in the challenge, one challenge I faced that is for the original data set, we have many rows with the missing country information, which is hard to analyze. So I just handle it by focusing on the row with the valid country data. And there's another issues were inconsistent formatting in the comment. Some had an emojis or special characters, so I just clean it using a symbol regret and function Python to make the text easier to analyze.